Hello everyone and welcome back to Dinalicious 101. Today we're going to make Honduran spaghetti. So these are the ingredients that you'll be needing. I'm using 1 full bag of shrimp, about 3/4 of sour cream jar. I'm going to use about 1.5 boxes of spaghetti, 1 full cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of chicken powder, consome, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of pepper, 1/4 of an onion, handful of cilantro, half a green pepper, half an orange pepper, and 1, 2, 3 cans of tomato sauce. Let's get started. Okay, so now we have our spaghetti boiling and we're going to start making the rest of the ingredients for the sauce. So first we're going to put a little bit of olive oil. Okay, and we're going to start stir frying our shrimp. So first I put a little bit of olive oil. Now we're going to start stir frying our shrimp. Now these are pre-cooked shrimp, so they don't need a lot of cooking, so that's a good thing. And I just went ahead and used the whole bag from Costco. I'm not going to put any ingredients when I'm stir frying, just because the sauce is already got enough on it. So I just want to make sure these get cooked a little bit. I love these because they already come clean and pre-cooked, so it's a whole lot faster to cook. Alright, so let's give this a minute or 2 to get cooked, and we'll be right back. Our shrimp are now cooked, so now we're going to start making the actual sauce. We're going to stir fry the onion and cilantro in here. And we're going to put our bell peppers. Now you don't want to overcook them because we don't want them to be soggy once you put it in the spaghetti. Here's the first thing you want to do. By the way, my spaghettis are almost done. What you want to put in here is a little bit of salt and a little bit of olive oil, so that your spaghettis don't stick. And then after you're done, make sure you drain it and wash them in cold water so that the consistency of the spaghetti isn't soggy. So we're about to do that now, as soon as I'm done putting all the ingredients here for the sauce. See how nicely that's stir frying? And it's very little oil. If you have cooking spray, you can also use cooking spray. Personally, I like cooking with olive oil, but it's totally up to you and your preference. But what this is going to do, this is going to give our spaghetti a really nice flavor. Okay, so now we want to start putting in our 3 cans of tomato sauce. Two. We're going to do 1 cup of milk. Two tablespoons of chicken flavoring, consome. One tablespoon of pepper. And we're going to do our 2 tablespoons of sugar. And we are going to mix this in a little bit. Now, we're going to put our cream in there. Typically this dish is done with hot dog, but I like it better with shrimp. That's why we're using shrimp. And we're going to use almost this whole can. I want to say we're going to use about 3/4 of it. It's not a can, I'm sorry, it's the cream container. And we want to mix. I'm going to let this sit here for a bit while it cooks, and meanwhile I'm going to go ahead and drain my spaghetti. Keep watching. Okay, now we're back. So our spaghetti is done. Now all I got to do is dump our sauce in here along with the shrimp. So the shrimp have already been on the side. They're already done. We're going to pour them in here. And then we're going to then we are going to mix. Look at how delicious this looks. Just want to make sure that you Mix it properly so that everything is even. Now it's ready to serve, so I'll be right back. And this is our final product. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me make this. I enjoyed making it for you guys. Please comment below if you end up trying the recipe. Let me know how you liked it. These are the typical Honduran spaghettis. The only difference, like I said before, is that in Honduras they typically put hot dog instead of shrimp. But other than that, everything is how it's supposed to be. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And as always, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye.